Hello and welcome back to Super High Graphics. I'm Shegun Peter Olajuwon by name. So today I want to show us some amazing tricks with our PIXELLAB text. So the two things I will be creating today is number one, blur text. Delete what you have on your screen. Change the background to white color. Okay. Now come to text, edit it. Let's say we want to create a blur. Super high. Okay, that. Bring it to the center, increase the size. You can give it a font of your choice. Okay, there we have it. Now the next thing to do is to just click on this, come to opacity, make it less to the less, like bring it down to 0. Okay, then you come to shadow, give it a shadow, enable shadow. Now you can see the text has actually turned into a blur. You can do this for any of your design. You can increase the blur radius as much as you want. You can reduce it, you can increase it. You can see it. So let's just leave it at, let's say, 10. So this is how to create a blur image, a blur text. Okay, the next thing we are looking at is how to create embedded text in our PIXELLAB. So yes, with this I'll just come to text, type it embedded. Okay, select the font. The color of your choice. Let's make it blue color. Okay, that. Duplicate that, leave that above, select this. Then you come to let's add an image to make it embedded image. Embedded text in image. Let's use this image and increase the size. Bring it here like this. Okay, that. You can see it's covering this image. Now the next thing to do is to come to layer, lock it. Now click on this next image. The first image, let's center it properly. Align it to the center relative position. Click on the second one above. Come to text color. Click on this plus sign. Reduce the color to 0. Like that. While it is deselected, you just come to stroke. Enable stroke. You can see it has a blue colored stroke. You can give it any color of your choice. What I'll just do is come to relative positioning, align it to the center, then bring it forward. Now you can see the first one is at the back while the stroke is at the front. This is how to create a embedded text, and probably in the next video I'll teach us how to use it in a design. Thank you.